Mickey. Oh, he thinks he's hilarious right now because he's... Yeah. What did you do? You flew out the cage, and now you won't listen. You won't go back in. Uh-huh. You won't go back in. What are you doing? What are you doing? What do you mean, Junior? Junior's not here. Junior is... No. Junior's not here. You keep calling for him. He's not here. Oh, you're laughing like me? It's so funny, isn't it? What are you doing? You need to go back in. Yes. Mickey, not Junior. Mickey. You're Mickey. Mickey. Hey. Hey, I'm talking to you. Yeah. I'm talking to you. You. What is so funny?